Hey guys, Justin with Unique Componentry here. Today we're going to show you how to install your Starbox on your Starlink Mini. So when you take it out of the packaging, it's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and pull this rubber band off. Set that aside. Inside this bubble wrap envelope, you're going to find an edge clamp and 2 magnets. Take those, set those aside. And then on the studs here, you have the handle. Take that, set that aside. You're going to take your Starlink Mini. If it has the factory kickstand in it, we're going to go ahead and remove that by pulling up on this tab and pulling it out. Then we're going to take your Starbox. We're going to take it. It has the power connection there. That lines up with the port on the back of the dish. We're going to insert that into that port, push it in and seat it, fold down the beaver tail. We're going to take our edge clamp, hook that on the studs, push it over the edge of the dish, take 2 thumbs, that'll snap on the dish. They're going to take our handle. This can either be installed as a carrying handle like that, or it can be installed stowed. Today we're going to install it as a carrying handle. Slide that on, and you'll notice that there's a raised lip here. We're going to put that raised feature up. And then we're going to take a magnet, screw a magnet on. We'll just start them. Stand it up on end, push the edge clamp down to make it tight, and then just snug up the magnet feet. Also in your packaging, you'll find the power cords in a kit inside of the Starbox. There should be 3 cords in a bag there. Now I'll show you how to remove it. You're going to flip your dish over, unscrew the magnets, set those aside, remove the handle, set that aside. Take your thumbs on the edge clamp on the edge of the dish here, push that off. Take the edge clamp off, slide the Starbox out of the back of the dish. If you want to put your kickstand back on, just push that back in there. It snaps back to normal. Doesn't latch very well.